Samsung Galaxy Zero. The latest Samsung phones are equipped with Infinity O displays, which means that the screen occupies almost the entire front surface of the phone. Even though it's called the Infinity display, it actually has bezels, they're just very small. After their latest innovation, the designers wanted to see how a smartphone with a truly infinity display would look like, and just like that, the Samsung Galaxy Zero appeared. This concept shows how designers think Samsung phones will look by 2025. It's the first truly bezel-less phone in the world. Its display rests on the back cover. As you can see, there are no buttons or connectors on the surface. The Infinity display will be equipped with Gorilla Glass 6 protection. It will have 1 TB of internal memory and 10 or 12 GB of RAM. The device will work with either a Snapdragon or an Exynos 9830 processor.